Welcome back to the channel, CM Camaro 96. For part 2 of the Lawn Boy restoration. If you didn't watch part 1, go back, watch part 1. I get the engine running, test it out, everything seems to be good. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna clear the deck, take off the blade, take off the engine, wheels, and get it prepped for paint. So stand by. The blade is off. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and remove the engine. You got 3 bolts holding the engine on. All right, so we got the engine removed here and up on the bench. We will clean this up at a later date, and I'm not sure about the compression. I still need to test the compression, but there's possibly a chance we could have to put some new rings in it. All right, let's go ahead and remove the muffler. It's always hard to do this with one hand while you're trying to film, but I'll do my best. All right, so I got the engine completely out. Now this is kind of cool. That gives me an idea on what the original color was, because I'm still trying to find a way to paint this deck, and I was told that powder coating magnesium is not possible. So I think I'm gonna try to find a spray paint that's fuel proof. If anybody knows of the best spray paint to use for fuel proofing, put that down in the comments. Thanks. All right, time to remove the wheels. As you can see, this is actually plastic. So I think I can restore this by using multiple levels of sandpaper and potentially some just polish. I think I can bring that plastic back to life. I'd like to try to avoid painting them, but if I have to, I can do that. We'll see. There we go. There's one rear wheel. And a front wheel. Onto the other side. Okay, now that I've got the wheels off, we're gonna go ahead and get the handle off, and then that should wrap up this video here. So let's go ahead and get this handle off, and then for part 3, we'll be prepping this deck, sanding it, getting it ready for paint, and also getting the shroud ready for paint. All right, as you can see, I've got the handle completely off. Set that over there. And everything's been removed from the deck lid. Obviously really dirty. It will take a little bit of prep, probably power wash it for sure, and a lot of sanding work before we actually paint it. But it should come out really nice. Thank you for watching part 2. Please come back when I post part 3, where we get all this stuff cleaned up, prepped, and painted. I appreciate you watching. This is CM Camaro 96, signing off. Oh, and I almost forgot. If you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe, hit the like button. That'll help me out, encourage me to do more of these projects in the future, more videos. I'm always doing some kind of project, so I'd love to put it out there and have you all enjoy it and watch it. I appreciate your time. Thank you. See you in part 3.